Hello and welcome to Mentor Idea friends. Here you will find amazing free courses, jobs and internship videos and online money earning techniques. So guys, let's start the video. This time a best course seller courses, highly demanded courses I am giving you, and these courses are free of cost. You will get it, and all the paid courses will be free of cost. Plus there is a giveaway also. So you for the IT students. So guys, let's begin this video and stay tuned for the giveaways. So guys, first course which I am going to give you is I'm going to show you that the time series analysis and forecasting using Python 4.2 rating with 13 hours video content. Next course is of publishing book in Amazon, Google Play, Apple Book as a Pro 4.6 rating, 3 hours video content is you are going to get 4.6 ratings. Next course is of IoT automation and ESP8266 is 3.2 rating with 6.5 hours video content, and you are going to get it for free, and 22 hours are left for to enroll in this course. Otherwise you will be getting it, you will be paying it for this course. Next course is of the complete C# developers. You can see here that 24 hours video content you are going to get. This course is free of cost you are going to get, and such a lengthy content is there. So guys, full knowledge you are going to get for this, and this is free of cost. Coupon code is already applied, you just have to enroll in this course. Next course is of Adobe Illustrator. This is a beginner to essential master class. So 6.5 hours video content you are going to get. There will be another courses from Adobe platform itself, and these are all these all courses will be highly in demand. So let's go further. Digital marketing ultimate course bundle, 11 courses in one. This is a 22 hours video content you are going to get. Very good course, guys. So guys, you can just see here that this is a 2 days time is there, and the instructor is giving you free of cost this course with the coupon code. Next course is of web scraping with the data for data science, Python and Selenium, 5.0 rating, 3.5 hours video content is there. Another course is SAP projects essential implementing SAP. So guys, in bestseller course, 4 hours video content you are going to get. This is a free for 1 day. You can enroll it for within a day. You are going to get it for free. Otherwise you have to pay up money. So guys, and then next course is advanced English grammar, English grammar tenses for 4.3 ratings, 2.5 hours video content you are going to get. Another course is digital nomad lifestyle, live your dream and travel the world. So 0 rating because of new course, and 1 day left at this price. 8.5 hours video content you are going to get. So very good course is this. You need to apply, you need to enroll in this if you are if you want your personality transformation. Next course is complete Python programming for beginners, 4.3 rating, 11 hours video content you are going to get. Another course which is very good for the e-commerce students and those who are into digital marketing. So guys, Sell Like a Hell Facebook ads and e-commerce ultimate mastery course, 4.4 rating, 11 hours video content. Next course is learn HTML in depth with real world example, 4.4 rating, 3.5 hours video content you are going to get. Another course which you are going to get is free of cost. This is for math students. So guys, 0 rating because of new course, and 2 days time is there to enroll in this course. 6.5 hours video content you are going to get. So another course which is next course is this, that best international math olympiad mathematics. So guys, 7 hours video content is there, and 3.9 rating is there for this course. So time to give a time for a giveaway. So guys, if you see here that full stack for web development with the coding for coding ninjas, I am going to give you courses. This is for free. So another course which is I am going to give you for free is a $500 course. This is a trading course, and you can get it. A full course membership is full course is there for trading, forex trading. You can join and take advantage. So channels you have to join is, so this will be, I will showing you in a here itself. So you can see here this channel you have to join, and you can Next course is of the complete automation PyTest course for 2021. So 9 hours video content you are going to get, and 2 days time limit is there. So guys, next course is of master speed mathematical multiplication and division techniques. So 6.5 hours video content you are going to get. So you can join here if you are interested in maths. So otherwise you can this course is complete course in CETIA. This is 17 hours video content you are going to get, 4.4 ratings. So guys, important and valuable course. Next is Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, 39 hours video content. Just see they are going to make you a hero from zero to hero of the Adobe Illustrator. So you can join here, otherwise you can share it to other of your graphic designer friends. So another other course is a complete course in Adobe Photoshop, 4.3 rating, 39 hours video content is there. Another course you are going to get is CSS and JavaScript certification course for beginners, 4.3 rating, 3 hours video content. Next course you are going to get is HTML and CSS certification course for beginners, 4.3 ratings. So 4 hours video content you are going to get. So next course is of SQL Masterclass, SQL for data analytics. So bestseller course guys, 4.5 ratings, 8 hours video content is going to be there. Next course which you are going to get is for free, automate your job search with Loop CV in 2021, 4.2 rating, 1 hour video content is there. Next course, a crash course or to learn Python coding for basic beginning, 3.2 rating, 3.5 hours video content, 2 days time is there to enroll in free. Tech Ready Founder Ultimate Guide to App Prototyping, 5.0 rating with 3 hours video content, 2 days time is there to enroll. Next course is Create a AI voice assistant Jarvis with Python, 4.2 rating, 1 hour video content you are going to get. Another course which is there, SolarWinds and Workflow Automation Basics, 0.0 rating, 2 hours video content is there. Next course is ClickBank Affiliate, make money on ClickBank in just 3 hours. So guys, very good and important course. So next course is how to clear Java interview, technical Java interview in an hour. It was important for you, that's why I brought it. So next course is No Code Machine Learning, practical guide to modern ML tools. So guys, you can just enjoy the machine learning without any coding experience. So guys, 6.5 hours video is there, 2 days time is there to enroll, so anybody can join here. So basic of stop motion animation using Canva and OpenShot, highest rated course, 4.6 ratings. So 2 days time is there. So I have already given you courses which are which you can get at free of cost. That was of full stack development, you can see here. So this is a channel which you have to join, and you have to just download the course. So next course is of most essential and popular Excel formulas and function 2021, 3.5 rating is there. Another course which is there is a payroll accounting with visual effective Excel dashboard, 4.2 ratings, 2.5 hours video content is there. Next course is Snapchat marketing mastery 2021. So guys, 3.6 rating is there, 32 minutes video is there for you. Next is Podcasting Mastery 2021, 30 minutes video content, 3.6 ratings. Next course is podcast, another courses of the same. Next conversion optimization mastery 2021, 3.8 rating, 37 minutes video is going to be there. Another course which you are going to get it for free is Dropshipping Mastery 2021. This is another course, and 1 day time is there for to enroll, and 30 minutes video content you are going to get. Another course is Storytelling Marketing Mastery. So this, but the length is very short, and this will give you a basic this will clear your basic concepts of digital marketing concepts. So guys, you can join here. 30 minutes video content is there. Next course is Blockchain Mastery 2021, 1 hour video content. So for 3.8 ratings is there. So another course is there for Altcoin Mastery 2021. So guys, 3.8 rating, 1.5 hours video content is there. Another course is from Google Drive, for Google Drive Ultimate Course 2021, 3 hours video content with 4.2 ratings, and this is 1 day free for you. Another course, Microsoft PowerPoint Ultimate Course 2021, 4.5 rating, 1 day to enroll in this course for free, and the time you are getting and is 6 hours video content you are going to get. Another course is from Microsoft, from the Learn Tech Plus Academy. This is a good academy. 4.3 rating has already given to this course, Microsoft Excel Ultimate Course 2021. 5.5 hours video content you are going to get. Another course is jQuery Ultimate Course, so 4.0 ratings, 5 hours video content. Next course you are going to get is a Google Docs Ultimate Course 2021, so 4.3 ratings, 3.5 hours video content. Next course is C++ programming step by step from a beginner to ultimate level, 4.0 rating, 11 hours video content you are going to get. So guys, see this course. This is a basic course, basic to advanced level course of C++. Today itself I have already given you jobs on a C++ jobs, so you can join that channel and take advantage. 11 hours video content is very good course. So guys, you can see here with 4.0 ratings you are going to get all the basics to advanced level concepts. So next course is of Python demonstration for practice course, 4.3 rating, 5.5 hours video content is there. Next course is CSS basics to advanced for front end development, 4.4 rating, 5 hours video content you are going to get. Another and last course is the complete React course, basics to advanced, 4.3 rating, 3.5 hours video content. 1 day time is there to enroll, and these courses were highly in demand, and already you was demanding from me. I have delivered it, and if you want some another course, you can drop the comment in the comment box, and I will give you the course for free. So guys, you have already given you giveaways, and I've already shown you, so you can join here in the Telegram channel and take advantage. Lot of students have already joined. Mentor ID is the ultimate channel for you for getting all the free courses, jobs and internship videos. Thanks a lot for watching this video.